Traders, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a really quick rundown of going into what happened at the end of the day with AMC, GameStop, because there was a lot of action there. Now, personally, I don't trade GameStop. I have no interest in that. AMC is the one that I'm watching, but GameStop is leading AMC right now, and AMC is really lagging when you get to it. The charts look extremely interesting. You had a lot of buying opportunities today. Let's get to it.
I got no drip in my pocket.
All right, so I want to talk about AMC first, and this is going to be what really has people's interest. Now, I made a video. I'm going to try to make videos, especially when you're getting some of this movement right now, and especially when I'm in a position. When I'm in a position, I'm going to make more videos. That's just how I operate. When I'm in a position on AMC, I'm going to make videos on it. That's just how I'm going to do it. And so you're getting really good movement. You had that gap up. You push all the way to almost basically 43 bucks this morning. You came down brutal. Now, it's worth mentioning right here when this happened on this dip, you saw every index get shattered. So when people were commenting on that first video, it's like, well, you got to dip this. You know, you can't expect your stock to just keep ripping when all the indexes are dipping. Now, the one thing I will say about that is you can't expect it to continue to go if you start to get that gamma type squeeze, and you're not there yet. That's the one thing you have to know. I've mentioned the levels that you need to get to. You're just not there yet. So looking at AMC, you bounced and you pushed all the way back up and almost double top at 42.5, and you came back down. Now, I think tomorrow's open is going to be interesting, and I think it's kind of up in the air right now, but the most bullish thing right now is going to be GameStop. And I've been saying this, and I was mentioning this on Twitter. So if you're not on Twitter, I recommend following there because I'm posting updates 24/7, every single move. So going into GameStop, you broke those local highs, which is absolutely outstanding. You even came down, retouched twice, and continued up. Crazy, bullish. You got to love to see it. Going into tomorrow, the question is, can you get above 250? Because there's a lot of options on GameStop are getting in the money, and you have earnings in about 2 weeks on GameStop as well. But GameStop looks incredible, and the question is how long can AMC be held down while GameStop runs like this? And I don't think it's that long. And then even when we get into this options chain, you can see the value is being retained. Last week, we ended up getting into these around 340. Me personally mentioned in the Discord when I bought into those. Some people got in before that, but the value continues to retain at these key levels. I even posted on Twitter exactly when I bought more of the same contracts. I keep buying more because I love the movement that you're getting. This morning, when you were sitting at about 42.3 on the initial gap up, these contracts were worth about 390. Right now, they're roughly down 4-5%. Absolutely nothing. Even though you're getting these huge dips, there's really no concern for myself and my investment right now, right? Because you're getting just massive dips popping back up, and the IV on those marches are retaining so well, and the open interest continues to rise. Now, if you're getting confused by this part of the video at all, I recommend watching one of my last videos titled The Gamma Squeeze and going over exactly what I expect going into the end of the year. Now, people were saying this happened a long time ago. You didn't watch the video because the Gamma Squeeze video really covers what I believe is going to happen in the coming weeks and months. So I recommend watching that video as well. But overall on AMC, I like what you're seeing. And like I said, the big part about this is the value is being retained even on the dips. And when the value of your options is being retained, even when you're dipping, like you're not losing that much money when you dip, that's a huge sign, in my opinion, that you're still bullish. And if you look at the OBV, you're still getting key movement that you want to see. So if we go back to the 4 hour, this is going to be the main indicator on OBV that you want to watch. It's going to be the 4 hour. Shorter time frames are irrelevant, and I don't like the daily either. But you're pushing back up, and you're getting that action that you want to see. Again, I don't think you're going to double top. I think you're going to press right through this. Buying volume is flowing in. GameStop, look, had that movement. You got that breakup, but GameStop isn't even at those highs yet. GameStop isn't there. AMC is, and you absolutely love to see it. This is what I love to see when it comes to AMC. You want to be buying when people are scared. Everyone this morning was commenting, AMC's going to dump, it's going to dump, it's going to dump. You're not going to rise back up. But guess what ended up happening when it came to AMC? You came right back to $42 and almost in an immediate hurry. I still love this thing. Could you get a little bit of a dip? It's possible, but it's funny that you're getting that double bottom at this region as well. You're pushing back up. You want to see you hold the weekly, which is that 41.50 range, but I think this easily continues to run. The question, in my opinion, going into tomorrow is, Does GameStop hold the value? Can GameStop continue? If GameStop continues, I think AMC has room to run to 50 and an absolute hurry. And if AMC can start to follow GameStop, and if GameStop can push above 250, I do believe AMC could have a push close to the $50 region this week. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but it really depends if GameStop can get that buying pressure you need to see to get over this hump right now. If it gets over this hump, I think it's very easy for AMC to establish a position above $50 in a hurry.
Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. No,